Recording in progress.
Yesterday one task I given. I have completed that one. Completed. Yesterday one row span, call span I given. No? Is it completed? How many people completed? Okay. See, I given like this. This cell, how many rows occupied? How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? So row span equal to 2, call span equal to 3. Now row span equal to 2 you ought right, call span equal to 3 you ought right. For this cell, row span equal to 2 and call span equal to 3. Let this be outright. Now, in first row, how many columns? First row, how many columns? In first row, how many cells? Okay, columns means confusion comes. First row, how many cells? How many cells? That attribute leave it. Row span equal to 2, call span equal to 3. Because it will occupy 2 rows. It will occupy 3 columns. That's what row span equal to 2, call span equal to 3. This is okay. Row span, call span. But in a first row, TR tag you ought to write no. In the TD cells you ought to write no. Like that, in a first row, how many cells are there? How many cells? 2 cells. Second row? Second row? 1 cell. Third row? Are you understanding? These two, 1 row. This is 1 row. This is 1 more row. Like this you ought to write. So, this cell comes under first row or second row? First row. This cell, first row. This cell, this one, third. Like that. Okay. That means here you observe this is 1 row. Second row only this will be there. Third row these 4 will be there. Like that you have to write program. Okay. Like this, if like that if you write, then you'll get it like this. Here, not only this one, that is also you should understand. That is also you should understand. Okay. Here, this cell, how many rows occupied? How many rows occupied? 2 rows occupied. How many columns occupied? 3 columns occupied. So that's the reason 2 rows and columns, 3 columns. Row span equal to 2, col span equal to 3. Now this cell comes under first row or second row or third row? First row. This one, first row. This one, second row. This one, like that. Like that, that is also should understand. Then only can write. Okay. See. Table open, table close. In between, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. You have seen here. Here how many cells? How many cells? 2. TD open, TD close. TD open, TD close. Here how many? How many? 1. TD open, TD close. That's it. Here how many? How many? 4. TD open, TD close. Like this, how many? 4. This is I'll copy directly. Okay. Now, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. File save. If I run this program, C drive demo.html. See how it is displayed. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this displayed. Now, first I'll give a border. Border equal to support 10 pixels. Okay. Width of the border. Width equal to 200. Okay. Height of the table. Suppose 100 pixels. Like this. Now, this should occupy 2 rows and 3 columns. Like that we have to write. So, here, row span equal to 2. Col span equal to 3. See, row span equal to 3, col span, row span equal to 2, col span equal to 3. Whatever I given like that came, no? This alignment, center if you want. What you have to write? Align. Where we have to write? TR also you can write. TD also you can write. But TD if you write 7 times you have to write. Okay. In TR if you write 3 times you have to write. But in table that align not there. Here align equal to center if you write. You observe. This is this table centered. Okay. Here V align. Vertical align. That is not there, vertical align. Now some attributes are removed because of CSS. Say this align equal to center means this align center coming. This will leave it. Content center we required. Content. Content center if you want. In a TR align equal to center. Again TR align equal to center. Here align equal to center. Now content center appears. Okay, like this. If you want to increase the width or height, whatever you want, you can do it. See, like this. Width increased, height increased, border size increased. Okay. Now by default, 3D border coming. This is dark gray, this is light gray. But actually previously border, light border, light border color, dark attributes were there. Those are some browser not supporting, which CSS will do. CSS we can do so many things. 4 sides, 4 different borders also possible in CSS. Okay. And the sizes also you can increase, colors also you can change, border style also we can change. So only border attributes, only 20 attributes are there in CSS. Only border. Only border, only 20 borders are there. Okay. That is CSS. Present, it is only layout. HTML layout purpose. Layout creating that purpose. CSS designing purpose. At that time, we'll see that one designing all those things. More attractive means we'll go for CSS. That later we'll see. Write this one. Program to demonstrate both call span and row span attributes. Write this one. Program to demonstrate both call span and row span attributes. Program to demonstrate both call span and row span attributes. Note. So this is yesterday program only. Yesterday, whatever I given, that is only. Is it completed? Not all. This is border width 20 pixels. Border width like a border thickness. This is width of the table. It is height of the table. It is alignment, content alignment, not table alignment, not row alignment, content. Row span, two rows occupied. Col span, three columns occupied. Table tags, how many tags I given? Total how many tags completed? 5. What are those? Table tag, TR, TH, TD, caption. 5 tags completed. Okay. Now, next I'll give. Is it over? No. 6 tag. So table tags only list. Table tags. 6-1. T head. T head. It is used to group. It is used to group header part of the table. It is used to group header part of the table for formatting. T body. It is used to group body part of the table for formatting. T footer. It is used to group footer part of the table for formatting. T head, T body, T foot. Call. It is used to format the particular column. Tenth. Call group. It is used to group the columns for formatting. T head, T body, T foot. Call group. These all tags for CSS purpose we use. CSS purpose. Note down. T head, T body, T food, call group. This is header part. You can group. This is body part. You can group. It is footer part. You can group. It is one particular column. If you want to format with CSS, we use. It is many columns you can group together for formatting. Like that, 10 tags. These tags, if you use these tags in the program, output, no effect. No effect in the output. If you use CSS, then effect appears. Okay, that I'll explain. T head, T body, T foot, these all, see, if you use previous 5 tags, table, TH, TR, TD, T, these all caption you have seen, no? That is if you use, that is if you change attributes, all those things, output will be different. But these all output, there is no difference. If you use these tags also, only for formatting purpose we use with CSS formatting at the time we required. Just how to group together, I'll show you. Just these 3 I'll explain. This is complete full-fledged CSS purpose only. These also CSS purpose only will group together. Just you observe. Is it over? Now, I'll remove this. Now, table. If you want to create a table, which tag required? Table open, table close. It is table tag. Okay. Now, 3 columns I want to write. Roll number, name, marks, student information. Student information I want to write. Okay. Student information is a heading, caption. Caption I want to write. Tag name is caption. Students information. Caption. That is caption. Okay. Now, roll number, name, marks. These 3 headings. Then, as a one row. Then what we have to write? TR open, TR close. In between, what you have to write? TH open, TH close. Year, roll number. Okay. Next, TH open, name, TH close. Again, TH open, marks, TH close. Now, if you want to see border, compulsory you have to write border attribute. Otherwise, like this displayed. At least border equal to 1, you have to write. By default, border will be 0. See, here, border equal to at least 1 if you write, then only border appears. Because by default, border will be 0. See, like this border appears. Border equal to 2. See, border equal to 2. Border equal to 10. See, border equal to 10. Border equal to 20. See, like this. So, at least border equal to 1 if you write, then only border. Otherwise, no border. Okay. Now, this width, if you want to increase, attribute is width. See, 500 pixels width. Height. See, height. Table, 500 pixels width I given. 200 pixels height I given. Suppose 100 pixels. It is 100 pixels. Okay. You observe the caption displayed, student information. Okay. Now here border 20 pixel. This width 20 pixel. This one. That part is 20 pixels. Okay. Now width, height. Here even this one width is this one is there no. This is also we can increase. This is called padding. Cell spacing, cell padding. Some concepts are there. Those all with CSS possible better. Okay. At that time we'll see directly CSS. Cell spacing between cells here. Between cells gap will be there no. That gap also you can increase. Between content and padding this one no. That is also possible. Those all we'll see in CSS. Here, this is caption, students information. It is a caption. It is by default coming center. Border 20, this border thickness. Width 500, from here to here 500. And here 100. Actually here, I given 175 percentage. Actually, border, this is 100 percentage. This is actually. Based on this, you have to calculate. I given how many pixels? 500. This is now 500 pixels. This is 500 pixels. I increased that zoom size. Okay. So this is actual 500 pixels. But actually here to here, 1920 pixels are there in my system. That is you can see here. Right click, display settings. Scroll down. Here. See how many pixels? 1920 width, 1080 height. Okay. Now, if your zoom size, if it is suppose 100%, then you can see calculations. See here, I given 200%. 200% I given. This is nothing but now 1000 actually. 500 if I write 1000. 200 pixel, 200% I given like that. So this is 100% is there. You'll get it exact size. It is 500 pixels. It is 100. 100% I given. Now this is 500 pixels. This is 100 pixels. Okay, like that. Like that you can understand. But visibility purpose, I'm increasing. Okay, that percentage I'm increasing. Now, after this, next row. Now, second row. Again, here cells, TD open, TD close. Suppose roll number 1. Name of the student. Marks of the student. Like this. See, that width, in that width only it is came, you observe. In that height only. In that height only size decrease you observe. Okay. So that's what height 200 I'll write. Now, one more row I'll write. One more row. You observe roll number 2. Name. Marks. You observe? Like this. One more I'll write. See, like this. If you want this alignment center, you can use align. Now, last one cell, I want to write Naresh Technologies, Amirpet, Hyderabad. I want to write in one cell. Then what we have to write? Give me answer. Call span or row span, you decide. TR open, TR close. Here, TD open, TD close. Here, I want to write Naresh Technologies, Amirpet, Hyderabad. This is I want to write. Now, here row span record or call span record, give me answer. Which span? Call span. How many? 3 columns should occupy. So what you can do is call span equal to 3. Call span equal to 3. See like this. Okay. Suppose if you don't write call span, how it will display? Observe. See what is happened? This roll number only occupied complete. That's the reason call span. Call span equal to 3. You observe? Now, this is caption by default center. These headers by default center. These are by default left. This one I want center. What we will do? Here only align. Only this one also you can write because there is only one cell. So here align. Align equal to center. Align equal to center. Now you observe here. What I want is these three, one color. These three, one color. This is one color. I want to format. Got in mind? This part one color. This part one color. This part one color. And different borders, different cell sizes I want to increase. I want to do. Then that is you group together as a table header. T head. Second one T body. Third one T foot. That is the outright. Then formatting possible. Otherwise for all applicable. In that again I want this cell separate color. Call. COL is that is. These two call group. That type formatting purpose will write T head, T body, T foot. These all will write. Call group. Like that we can design. So that is CSS time we use. Present just I'll group. See, you observe. T head open. T head close. This is T head. T body open. T body close. Here. T foot. Here. T foot close. Over. Here no effect. Effect will not be there. Okay. Effect is not there. Later formatting purpose we can do. So this part is called header part. This part is called footer part. This part is called body part. In that also only suppose this person highest marks he got it. That color I want to change. What we use? COL call. Okay. Like this I can do. We can do this is only one cell we can highlight. Who got highest marks? Who failed? One type. Who passed one type. Like that if you want to design. In that situation, call group we can go for that concept. So this particular column, one style. These particular columns, one style. Here, this particular column, one style means call. These three columns, one particular style means call group. Like that, you can design. Okay. That styles how to apply to this HTML in CSS class we'll see. Present only grouping I given. Write this one. Example. Example. Note. Notes I shared in Google Drive. Okay. I think you received Google Classroom link also, I think. But that link is not working, just use Google Drive only. I shared in Google Drive. Google Classroom capacity only 250. That's the reason Google Classroom not working. Okay. I think they shared Google Drive link also, Google Classroom link also to your mail IDs. Some people joined in Google Classroom also. I've seen. But I am unable to join in that group. They're already full. Then how can I share? Two, three links I received. I tried to open, but that is already full. I am unable to join and I'm unable to share. That is the reason Google Drive I shared. That classroom already full, but I am not going to share in that group because I am unable to join. That's what use Google Drive only. Google Drive only use. I shared notes in PDF format, topic wise, not day wise. Not day wise, topic wise I'm sharing. Topic wise I'm sharing notes, not day wise. Better to write running notes also. In running notes, more examples will be there. There one example will be there. That already prepared notes I'm sharing. Online students, end of the session only I'll respond. Already 10 messages came. End of the session only I'll respond. Because if I click chat box, they cannot write notes. The chat box not visible to you, but offline student chat box visible. Then how can they write notes? That actually online what will happen if I open chat box that is not visible for them. So style sheets, if you want to apply for formatting purpose, at the time we use T head, T body, T foot. Okay. Call group. Is it completed? No. Say the notes I shared in Google Drive. That Google Drive link I given already. Google Drive link. This is advanced Java link. 1 minute. That is advanced Java Google Drive. This is 1 minute. The advanced Java opening. Is it opening in your system mobile? Check it. Okay. Not working. Okay, here. You see like this, I shared notes. I shared notes like this. Say HTML introduction. HTML introduction, like this PDF file. Okay. Like this I shared. Okay. Like this. Next to basic tags. Say basic tags. PDF files I shared. Formatting tags. Basic and formatting. Each tag description programs like this I shared. Say list tags, link tags, list tags. Like this I shared. Topic wise I shared, not day wise. Not day wise. See HTML introduction. After that basic tags and formatting tags. After that list tag. This is alphabetical order sorted. See. Last modified. See first this one. Next this one. Next this one. Like this. In order I shared, you observe. HTML introduction. After that basic tags and formatting tags. Next list tags. Next link tags. Image tags. Audio video. Tables I didn't share. Okay. Topic wise I'm sharing. Day wise I'm not sharing. Okay. Like everything is there. You can see. Audio video. Okay. Everything examples. One example will be there. Here example 1, example 2, example 3 examples are there. Like this. Like this I shared. Okay. Complete information is there in notes. But better to write running notes. Better to write running notes. Examples less will be there. One example definitely will be there. Okay. So already 7 PDF files, 6 PDF files I shared. 6 PDF files. Those who didn't get, I'll share in chat box. Those who didn't receive, that advanced Java notes. This is HTML. So this one or this one you type. See how it is possible to share in mail. How many people are there? Just this link you follow better. Okay. You have taken photo means if it is not working, this all you have to type. Otherwise, Google Lens use. You can copy text from photo. Okay. Otherwise, one small mistake also mistake, it doesn't work. Next. This is about table tags. Is it clear? Suppose one more. This later you create. Suppose one website, one web page, you prepare like this. Suppose daily, what are the websites you are visiting? Suppose Google, Gmail, YouTube. Like this, you create links, hyperlinks. Here, no need to write URL. Where you have to write URL? URL, URI. In anchor tag, which attribute? href, hyperlink reference. There you have to write. A tag open, A tag close. In between Google. Hyperlink reference, complete URL. Okay. Like this, what are the websites daily you are visiting? Those all you can write. What are the website you are visiting daily? Any other? Mintra. Whatever you want, you can write. Okay. Like this, you can write. Now, here total 9 hyperlinks. Table tags. Okay. Table tags, 9 hyperlinks. What you do is this is one page you create. And you place in a browser, it is a default page. When you double click browser, this page should appear. If you click Google, directly Google page. If you click Gmail page, that type you create. Okay, this one you try to create. Your table tags, hyperlinks mixed. This is you write, this one you tried later. Okay. It is homework. Assignment. No. Okay, this is you try to do it. Now, not only these sites, whatever you want, you can add it. I given some randomly. Randomly I given whatever you want, 20, 30 website, very regular browsing websites, you can add it. Okay. What are the tags you have to use here? Link tags, table tags, basic tags, formatting tags. These all you have to combine. Okay. Basic tags, formatting tags, link tags, table tags. These all you have to combine. Okay. Like this, you try to do it. Over. Now, next one, table tags completed. Form tags. It is most important in the HTML. Form tags. Now, form tags. Note on. HTML forms are used to accept the data, accept the input from the user. HTML forms are used to accept the input from the user and usually sent to the server to process. HTML forms are used to accept the input from the user and usually sent to the server to process. There are many forms. For example, login form, registration form, application form, contact us form, feedback form, order form, dash dash, etc. Different application, different type will be there. HTML forms are used to accept the input from the user and usually sent to the server to process. There are many forms. For example, login form, registration form, application form, contact us form, feedback form, order form. There is so many forms will be there. Writing program is same, different forms. Okay. First one, form tag. Form open, form close. It is used to create HTML form. Here form open, form close. In between form, some other tags will write. It is used to create HTML form. First we'll see attributes of this form tag. Attributes of form tag. First one, name equal to. It is used to specify name. It is used to specify the name of the form. Method equal to. It is used to specify the HTTP method name. It is used to specify the HTTP method name. There are 7 HTTP methods. First one, get. Second one, post. Third one, put. Fourth one, delete. Fifth one, head. Sixth one, options. There are 7 HTTP methods. What are the differences? I would explain. Just write the notes. These forms are important. In the entire HTML, this topic is important. In the total HTML, this is important. In HTML, form tags are most important because server-side programming purpose required. If you don't learn here in Advanced Java class, in ASP.NET class, in Django class, you'll face the problem. Okay, this knowledge required for Advanced Java, Django, and ASP.NET at the time required. This knowledge required. Node.js at the time required. It is server-side programming purpose. This knowledge is compulsory. I'll explain what's the difference. Also, I'll explain everything. Name equal to, it is used to specify the name of the form. Method equal to, it is used to specify the HTTP method name. There are 7 HTTP methods. Trace. It is not compulsory to write capital letters, but generally we'll write capital letters. Method name. Because HTML is not case sensitive. You can write capital, small, mixed. But better to write, you have to highlight this method. That is compulsory. Easily you can identify. Get, post, put, delete, head, trace, options. 7 HTTP methods are there. 7 HTTP methods. Note. Default HTTP method is get. Default HTTP method is get. Default HTTP method is get. What's the difference between get, post, put, delete? These all many things are there. I have to explain. It will take half an hour. That in next class I'll explain. Next, write it. Third attribute. Action. Action equal to. It is used to specify server-side program. It is used to specify server-side program. For example, URL pattern of Solid program, comma, JSP file name, comma, ASP file name, comma, Django file name, comma, Node.js file name, dash dash, etc. Java people, they'll write Solid program, Solid URL pattern, JSP file. .NET people ASP they'll write. Python people Django they'll write. And the full stack web development people Node.js they'll write. I given all. Okay. Yeah, all categories of students are here. Java, .NET, Python, full stack web development. So Java people will use URL pattern of solid JSP file name. .NET people will use ASP. Python people will use Django. Full stack web development, mean stack, MERN stack people, they'll use Node.js. That type will be there. Here, the value of action attribute is executed whenever submit button is clicked. The value of action attribute is executed whenever submit button is clicked. These forms are most important. Forms are most important in HTML. In the entire HTML, forms are important. Here, the value of action attribute is executed whenever submit button is clicked. See, action equal to will write Java file name or .NET file name or Python file name or Node.js file name will write. Whenever you click on submit button, that program executed. So server side program executed. Whenever you click on submit button in the HTML program, then server side program will receive your data. That purpose is required. But while sending, HTTP method is going to work. That method only, these 7 methods are there. Different method, different type of service it will provide. What's the difference? I have to teach. This name is only identification purpose, but JavaScript code purpose that is required. But this is compulsory or right. This is compulsory or right. See, for example, starting HTML introduction time, one diagram I given. Static dynamic web pages. This diagram I given, no? Now, here, if you click on submit button, you are clicking on submit button here. Then this program executed, no? You'll type hall ticket number, you'll click on submit button. Okay, then this program executed. This program nothing but Java people, they'll write solid or JSP. .NET people, they'll write ASP.NET. PHP people, PHP. Node.js, full stack web development. Python people, Django class, Django program. Like that they'll write. So this is common to all people, but this is specific to different courses. So this file name we have to write here action equal to. That file name we have to write. That may be Java or .NET or Python or Django or something. Whatever is there, that is you have to write. Okay. So whenever you click on submit button, this value executed. That means whichever program you write, that program executed server side. That purpose action. This is your write. Compulsory this attribute you have to write. If you don't write this attribute, data not passed to server. When you click the submit button, data should be passed to server. How the data will be passed to server? Through this only. This mechanism already developed. HTML to Java, HTML to .NET, like that mechanism already developed. So this is compulsory. But while sending data, different HTTP methods applicable. What's the difference? I have to explain. That is, I'll explain Monday because it will take half an hour. Okay. We'll see continuation on Monday. Uh, Online students, 1 minute, one by one I'll explain. I'll clarify your doubts. Rushikesh, if you want to learn, if you want to get a job in as a UI developer, you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, after that React JS and Angular JS. These all you have to learn. Okay. Sanskar, Sanskar Pandey. My mail ID is there in every PDF header. You can see. Pooja. For this batch, no Telegram group. Revati. Time to interactive. Uh, in LinkedIn exam, they asked. Say, with interaction, you'll get a presentation skills. Maybe that is related to communication skills concept. Suraj, 1.5 years current gap is there. No effect. You can 5-6 years gap, people also working. But MNC people, they may not accept sometimes. At the time, go for non-MNC. After getting 1 year experience, you can jump to MNC. Rushikesh, Angular JS different, Angular's different. Angular JS uses JavaScript, Angular uses TypeScript. Sheikh Nagul, Sharif. That name attribute not for output effect, name attribute required for JavaScript purpose. Sachin, React JS and Angular JS. It is not compulsory. Nowadays, companies are using frameworks. That's the reason you have to learn. With this knowledge also, you can join. But if you learn better, more opportunities will be there. Sachin, only one is sufficient. Shivateja, full stack Python you learn. Nilesh, yeah, I'm teaching Advanced Java also. 5:30 batch Advanced Java going on, no? 5:30 to 7:30 Advanced Java going on. Satish, already shared link for notes. Prasad, bootstrap after JavaScript. Pooja, notes I'm sharing. Whatever already maximum code is there. Maximum it is covered. You check it. You check it first pro HTML introduction, everything you check it. Maximum I covered. Sachin, only one required, no need both. Sharif, present I don't have a demo links, contact admin only. Ananya, my new Advanced Java batch, it takes time, not yet start, not yet decided. I'll inform. Nilesh, bootstrap, in this batch I'm not teaching. If they assign separate batch, I'll teach because this batch is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Afrin, that is only MCQs. Gunashekar, this course is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's what only these three I'm going to teach. If they assign Bootstrap's course, then that is also I'll teach. Rishikesh, Java, .NET, Python, these all better. Any course you can select. Manisha, Google Classroom code is not there. Google Drive I given. You follow any one link I'll give. Sachin, maybe next week or after 10 days, advanced Java batch will be there. I'll inform. Sharif, just contact admin only. I don't have any recording. Any other doubts? Nilesh, full stack Java, full stack .NET or full stack Python, any one course you learn. All are better only. Depends upon your skills. Prashanti, front-end developer means HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, AngularJS, Angular, jQuery, JSON, these all required. Tanvir, present my Angular batch is not there. Gunashekar, Bootstrap nothing but it is a framework for HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML framework. HTML framework. Ready-made programs will be there. That type. Any other doubts? Pushpesh.